kaunti ma Mombasa to wadhi nyake kaunti ma Busia kama gavana mar kaunti no ero Laktar Paul Otuoma otero jotend migawo mag kaunti no duto e Yueyo ma Mochuno kakoro yango komiti mabiro tayo chenro e migepe mag kaunti no.
Ma achiel kuom okenge ma Otuoma yango ni biro konyo chalo dongruok ne jopiny kaluwore kod singone mar kelo lokruok e moko kuom thuolo ma biro bedo godo mar ndalo 100 e apisi.
Okang makamae biro mana ndalo 2 kende toka Otuoma nyocha oromo kod apisas mag kaunti no.
I want to announce here today that I'm sending the county secretary, who is also the chair of the office on assumption of office of the governors committee, all CECs members and all CEOs, that is chief officers, are hereby sent on compulsory leave with immediate effect pending any action by any prescribed law. You are aware that I had earlier communicated to you about the RRI initiative for the next 100 days, and we have promised the people of Busia on what we need to deliver on 100 days. And this rearrangement is being made to facilitate that. I think I was here with you. I communicated with you on what we need to do in 100 days. Therefore, I also want to appoint His Excellency Otero to chair the Task Force Committee on Finance, Economic Planning and ICT Subcommittee. He'll be chairing that task force to look on what it's going to do to deliver